Following the photo shoot, Kim Ji-won and Jin-gu were asked about their current hit drama, Descendants of the Sun. Grazia questioned Jin-gu about his passionate yet secretive romance in the drama, and he answered, "There aren't many scenes where I am kind and loving to Yoon Myung-do. I think that's why more of the romance illuminates from my body language." On the other hand, Kim Ji-won is asked about her role in the use of military speak. The actress did not have any trouble adapting to it, as she said, "I usually speak the way I do in the drama. My dad was very strict ever since I was little, so I am used to speaking that way." She added, "The military uniform is so comfy that sometimes I wore it home after shooting. My parents were like, 'We have a soldier daughter.'" Kim Ji-won and Jin-gu are definitely the perfect fit for their roles in Descendants of the Sun. More of the couple's intimate and close look can be found in April issue of Grazia.